Term 1, Examination, November 2021, Subject English, Class 6, Part A, MCQ. Read all the multiple choice questions carefully and choose the best answer to it. Townsend's tomb is a tomb for musicians, a heaven visited by disciples annually, a place of pilgrimage for musicians. Answer is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. Raga Megha was sung by Tansen and his daughter Hussaini and Roopwati, Saraswati and Hussaini, Saraswati and Roopwati. Answer is Saraswati and Roopavati. Ignoramus is a person who is popular, lacks education, knows literature, is arrogant. Answer is lacks education. The phrasal verb staying up night means he stayed at night, living up nights, remained awake at night, night stay. Answer is remained awake at night. A house is built of white marble, of brick, stones, wood and iron on home loans near the lake. Answer is of brick, stone, wood and iron. The two babies grew up to be wild in different environments to become the owners in the mother's nest. Answer is in different environments. The company one keeps is decided by parents, has to be good, is decided by fate, tells what you are. Answer is tells what you are. When the farmer's wife struck the mongoose, she fell down. He died after some time. She hit the floor. He died instantly. Answer is he died instantly. The shepherd was known for his wisdom, riches, friendship, knowledge. Answer is wisdom. A pawnbroker sells pawns, lends money in exchange, sells costly watches, lends costly watches for a costly object. Answer is lends money in exchange. Kalpana had encyclopedic knowledge means she knew everything about aeronautical. She had mastery over biology, astrophysics and energy and engineering. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects, she knew the whole Britannic encyclopedia. Answer is having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. Kalpana Chawla became an inspiration for the people of the world, Indian youth, for all Indians, the people in Colombia. Answer is Indian youth. He wanted to improve his piano playing, he wanted to win the competition. So, but, because, therefore. Answer is because. Which one is the adjective in the following sentences? They are proud to be Indian. Proud, be, they, Indian. Answer is proud. He quickly walked to the college. Which one is the adverb? He walked college quickly. Answer is quickly. Read the extract and answer the questions that follows. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. The extract describes the beauty of the dark, the day, inside nature. Answer is nature. The poet is thinking of the beauty of the soul, the sound, nature, people. Answer is the sound. The praise word wind singing shows that the wind is unhappy, blowing in the dark, passing through the trees, not blowing. Answer is passing through the trees. The song's music is beautiful when the singer sings on instrument, without instrument, with feelings loudly. Answer is with feelings. The noun form of singing is sighed, slide, sighed, sing. Answer is sing.